Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for this day, we will be discussing all about evaluation of functions. Alright, when we say evaluating a function, it means replacing the variable in the function, in this case x, with a value from the function's domain and computing for the result. Ibig sabihin, papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng kahit na anong value. And then, we will compute for the result. For example, given f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 4, let's try to find f of 3. So, yung x natin dito ay magiging 3. Okay? And f of negative 5. So, first muna, f of 3. So, we copy 2. So, we replace x by 3. We copy the exponent 2 minus 3. And then we replace x by 3 also. Then plus 4. And then, using the PEMDAS rule, ito muna. So, 3 squared is 9. So, 2 times 9 yan. Then, minus, negative 3 times 3 equals negative 9. And then, plus 4. Then, 2 times 9 equals 18. Minus 9 plus 4. So, we have 13. Because 18 minus 9 is 9. Plus 4 equals 13. Ganun lang. Kailangan lang palitan yung value ng x ng kung anong meron sa loob ng parentheses. Isa pa. How about f of negative 5? So that means 2 times the square of negative 5 minus 3 times negative 5 plus 4. So we have 2 times 25 kasi the square of negative 5 is 25. And then negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15 plus 4. So we have 2 times 25 is 50 minus 15 plus 4 equals 39. 50 minus 15 is 35 plus 4 equals 39. This one. Let's say f of 3a. So the same procedure, kailangan ng palitan yung x natin ng 3a. So we have the square of 3a is 9a squared because that is 3a times 3a. And then negative 3 times 3a is negative 9a plus 4. So we have 18a squared because 2 times 9a squared is 18a squared. We copy negative 9a plus 4. So 18a squared minus 9a plus 4. That's the value of f of 3a. And we have f of 2x minus 3. So, ganun lang din ang ating procedure. We just replace the value of x as 2x minus 3. So, ayan. So, that means 2 times, dahil may 2 dito na exponent, ibig sabihin, we will multiply 2x minus 3 by itself twice. Kaya dalawa to. Then, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9. Then we copy plus 4. So using FOIL method, we have 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times negative 3, negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9. And we copy negative 6x. Then 9 plus 4 equals 13. So we have, we simplify first inside the parentheses. So we have 4x squared, negative 6x minus 6x is negative 12x plus 9. So we have 2 times 4x squared, 8x squared. Then 2 times negative 12x, negative 24x. Then 2 times 9 equals 18. Then minus 6 plus 13. So final answer, 8x squared, negative 24x minus 6x. Kasi kailangan siya i-combine. So we have negative 30x Then 18 plus 13 equals 31. Ngayon, para din na kayo mag-FOIL method, meron namang technique dito in squaring a binomial. Ganito lang. I-square mo yung first term, 2x times 2x, 4x squared. And then, i-multiply mo yung dalawang terms dito. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x times 2 equals negative 12x. Laging times 2 yun. Ulitin ko, 2x times negative 3, negative 6x times 2 equals negative 12x. And then, square the second term, so 3. So 3 squared equals 9. Kaya ganun siya. Next. Evaluate f of x when x equals 0, b equals, x equals 4, and c, x equals 2. Given the piecewise function f of x equals x plus 2 if x is less than 2, 2x squared minus 5 if x is equal to 2, and the square root of x plus 1 if x is greater than 2. So we have the solutions here. How do we get f of 0? Since the domain is 0, titin tayo dito sa ating mga domains dito. Since 0 is less than 2, kukunin natin tong function na to. F of 0 equals 0 plus 2. Kasi nga, 0 is less than 2. So, f of 0 is equal to 2. How about when x equals 4? So, in the domain, x is greater than 2, at alam natin na ang 4 ay mas mataas kay 2, so kukunin natin to as our function. So, we have f of 4 equals the square root of 4 plus 1. Kaya 4 plus 1 to. And that's equal to the square root of 5. So, the value of f of 4 is equal to the square root of 5. How about if x equals 2? So, ito na mismo yun. Right? So, we use the function f of x equals 2x squared minus 5. So, that becomes 2 of 2 equals 2. Replace x as 2. Square that minus 5. So 2 times the square root of 2 is equal to 4. And then we have 2 times 4 equals 8. Minus 5 equals 3. And for my last example, given g of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Find g of 2x plus 3. So we replace x by 2x plus 3, kaya ito yun. We copy the exponent 3 minus 2 times yung x ulit dito, gagawing 2x plus 3. We copy the exponent plus 3. Again, the x becomes 2x plus 3 minus 5. Now, first, we expand this one. So, we have tatlong 2x plus 3 na kailangang i-multiply. Yan. And then, ito naman, negative 2 times dalawang 2x plus 3 naman dito. Then, pwede na natin itong i-multiply sa loob. So, 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 equals 9. So, we have positive 6x plus 9. Then, minus 5. So, kung ito ay ating i-multiply lahat, ang kanyang resulta ay 8x cubed plus 36x squared plus 54x plus 27. Paki-verify na lang po. So, para mas madaling gawin, ito yung technique natin dito kasi nga cube of a binomial. As if ito yung pattern, cube the first term, then plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Ito yung pattern. Lagyan ng 3 muna sa second and third terms. Then, we cube the first term. So, a cubed, a squared, a. Bali, pa-decrease yung exponent from 3, from 2, and 1. Then, yung b naman, ito naman siya, b cubed, b squared, and b. Example, ito yun. So, the cube of 2x plus 3. So, kukunin natin yung 3 muna, 3 and 3 dito. And then, we first get 2x. So, the cube of 2x, the square of 2x, And 2x, parang 3, 2, 1. Ito yung A natin, yung 2x. Then our B is 3. So ito naman, we cube we cube 3 and then 3 squared and then 3. Tapos wala na. So simplifying that, we have 2x cubed. I mean the cube of 2x is 8x cubed plus, ito kasi the square of 2x is 4x squared, and then tinimes ko na yung 3 and 3 dito, so equals 9. Plus, ito, 3 times 2x, 6x. The square of 3 equals 9. Then the cube of 3 is 27. So we have 8x cubed. 9 times 4x squared is 36x squared. 6x times 9 equals 54x plus 27. Ito mismo yun. And then, ito naman, minus 2 times, pag pa final method natin, we have 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Ano yung technique dyan? If we are squaring a binomial, ito yung forma. I-square the first term, i-multiply yung dalawang terms, and then, times 2 ka pa. So, AB times 2 plus, yung last term, d squared. So, anong nangyari doon, dito naman, the first term is 2x. So, i-square natin yan, plus 2. I-multiply daw itong a at b, so 2x times 3. Plus, our b is 3. So, i-square down natin siya. So, we have, the square of 2x is 4x squared, plus 2 times 2x, 4x times 3 equals 12x, plus 9. Okay, ito yun. Then, plus 6x, then 9 minus 5 equals 4. So, copy this one first, and then, we distribute negative 2 sa loob. So, negative 2 times 4x squared, negative 8x squared. Negative 2 times 12x, negative 24x. Then, negative 2 times 9 equals negative 18, plus 6x plus 4. So, simplifying that, we have 8x cubed, 36x squared minus 8x squared is 28x squared. Then 54x minus 24x, 30x. 30x plus, this is plus 6x equals, this should be 36x. Okay, that should be 36. Instead of 24x plus 13, because we have 27 minus 18 is 9. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So that's it. Comment down below your questions. Thank you.